All right, guys, so I'm back with another affordable wig review. This one is going to be brought to you by Rpghair. I'll make sure to leave all the links down below, but they send me over their Kinky Straight lace front wig. This one is 18 inches, 130% in density, and it does come with 4.5 inches of parting space. And the cap size that I am rocking is medium. As you can see, this is what the hairline looks like. Now, the company does bleach at least 2 inches of the knots for you. However, if you want a more flawless look, you can always go in and bleach the rest of the knots. However, the knots are not big, so powder will definitely take care of the parting space if you do not want to worry about any bleaching. As far as the cap size goes, this cap size actually fits me very well. I did not have to put any elastic band in it. I just used the adjustable straps and it fit me really good on my head, and my hair is laying very flat underneath. I just went and got a fresh rebraid on it, so it's not bulky or anything. So just make sure you are knowing your cap size when you do decide to order these wigs. I believe a medium cap size is usually about a 22, so it still fit me good either way. Now what you guys see me doing is, I forgot to show the can on camera, but I'm just using the Got to Be Free spray method, where I spray it on the end of the comb and then I press it into the lace so that I can get a better fit. I do not need a super hold on this unit, just because I will be reviewing, you know, other stuff during the day, but I do want this to fit me good. But as you guys can see, like, look how good it looks already, and I haven't even put any powder or anything. The hair on this is nice. Like, I am definitely a fan of this unit. And look at that flip over. Yes, and you can wear it just like it is. You don't even have to put any heat on it. As you guys can see, I was definitely feeling myself with that flip over. Now, even though you can wear this unit as is, I'm just going to take my Kaposi flat iron. You guys can find that on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave a link down below to the tools that I'm using. But I'm just going to take the flat iron and just run over the hair just to see how well it holds up to heat and if it straightens. Now, this unit does straighten well, but I didn't want to take too much out of the hair. I like the kinks on this one because I think it looks very natural. So I'm not going to get it super straight, but just enough to where I can see exactly how it's going to look. And as you guys can see, this flat iron, like I said, it gets very hot. This one is also affordable. I think I have a coupon for this one or the smaller Kaposi flat iron. Like I said, I'll make sure to leave all those details down below. But as of now, it is flat ironing very well. Now, one thing I do love about this unit is that the hair is super soft. Like, it was soft taking it out of the package, and then it was even softer after I washed the unit. I have the 130%, which is the medium heavy, but it goes all the way up to 180%. So if you are somebody who likes super big density, then you can get the 180%. However, even after flat ironing this unit, I fell in love with the way the 130% density looked on this unit, just because it looks very realistic and it's easy to work with and didn't require a lot of fuss. You guys can see I'm only doing about 1 or 2 passes on the hair, just because, like I said, I don't want it to be super straight, but so far it is coming out very well. Now, the hair color on this looks very nice. This is a natural hair color. It's looking a little bit darker on the camera, but for the most part it does have hints of brown in it. Now, I'm on the website, and the hair color, you can go all the way up to a number 6. And you can also do custom orders and kind of add in highlights and stuff like that if that's something that you want to do. You can also request for baby hairs. You can also request for widow's peak as far as the hairline goes. And you can also get a silk top. So, of course, all of that stuff is extra if you do want to add all of that on. Now, also with the length, I have the 18 inches. You can always go up to 24 inches if you want something longer. Usually with my straighter units, the most I like to go is 18 inches. Going to take the Rpghair wax stick, and then I'm just going to place it over the top of the hair just to kind of smooth everything out. I did not notice a lot of flyaways or short hairs in the top of this unit. So I'm just going in with this hot comb and just going to try to smooth everything out, but not smooth it out too much to where it's going to look super silky, but just smooth it out enough because this comb is getting hot, but it's not getting super hot like I want it to be. But so far it's working out well. I'm also going to go around the sides and smooth it all out just so it can look the same in the front. And if I decide to, you know, wear it back, so I'm going to go ahead along the sides and do that. And then I think I decided to go ahead and opt for a side part, just a small side part. Now you guys know that with this unit, you do get more parting space in the middle and then you get less on the side, but you guys will see the side still looks good. And as you guys can see, some of my side is lifting up because I did not put a lot of freeze spray on it. I'll go in and fix it later, but it's not a big deal right now. It's coming together. Now we just need to clean the hairline up and add in a little bit of powder. I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator powder palette. You can pick this up at your local beauty supply store, or you can find one of these powder palettes that has your color in it, because when I tried to find a link for y'all on Amazon, I believe it was a little bit too costly. So yeah, but I'm just going to go around my hairline with that, and then I do decide to add a side part in this unit. So I'm going to go into the parting space and put a little bit of powder just to make it look a little bit more natural. And then I'm going to go over that. Since I decided to move it, I'm just going to put a little bit of heat on it using my wand curl to lay it down, just because I was over my hot comb at that time. I was over it. And then I'll put a little bit of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum throughout the hair just to make it a little bit more smoother. Now with this hair, I did not notice a lot of frizziness and I did not notice a lot of flyaways, but because it is kinky straight, I just want to make sure that it looks smooth, because sometimes it can come off a little bit dry, but don't put too much oil because you don't want it to look greasy. This is what the hairline looks like, and y'all, I'm about to zoom in for y'all because look how bomb that looks. I know my side is lifting. I told y'all I was gonna fix it, but look how it looks, y'all. I'm gonna have to go in slow motion for y'all. And then this is what the parting space looks like in the middle. So you definitely get a good amount of parting space with this unit. And then this is what the hair looks like all together, pulled up to the front. Just look at the texture on it. It looks so pretty, y'all. Like, I'm hyping this wig up because I like it that much. So that is what it looks like up close. And then this is what it looks like when you turn around. Like I said, I didn't get it completely straight, but for 130% density, I feel like this unit still looks good. Like, I would not go any further with this unit unless, like I said, you want some super thick hair. Now this unit is very affordable. For the length that I have, it is $157.25, which is very good. And I also will include a coupon code if I can find one for you guys. But I honestly have no complaints about this hair. Like, I am in love. So guys, let me know what you think about this. If you are feeling it, let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.